All right, finding coterminal angles. Coterminal angles are angles that start and end in the same spot. So very quickly, if I draw a normal angle, say it's like 45 degrees, um, there's infinite number of coterminal angles for it because there's a lot of angles that can start here and end here and not be 45 degrees. The first one I'm thinking of is the one that you can draw like this, which would be three negative, right? And it's 45 less than 360. So that would be a negative 315 degrees. But you can also go even, you don't have to go in the negative direction. Um, this could be like greater than 360. So if I decide to draw the angle like this, it would be coterminal because I'm starting and ending at the same spot. But now it's a whole 360 plus another 45, which would be 405. So, and I could keep going around and around and get bigger and bigger and smaller and smaller. So each angle has an infinite number of coterminal angles. All you have to do is find angles that start and end at the same spot. So for these questions, I'm going to ask to find one positive and one negative coterminal angle to the given angle. So we're going to start out with the degree measure one, which is negative 300. Well, you don't even have to draw this. Coterminal angles always differ from each other by 360 degrees or a multiple of 360. If you can see this 45-degree angle, it's either 360 degrees bigger or a multiple, like two 360s, or 360 degrees smaller. So there's no need to draw it like I was about to. To find a positive coterminal angle to negative 300, all you need to do is add 360 to it. So negative 300 degrees plus 360 is 60 degrees. That angle is guaranteed to be coterminal, start and end at the same spot as negative 360. Um, to find a negative coterminal angle, just subtract 360 from it, and that would be negative 660. That's coterminal. That's it. We've answered the question, but you can keep on going. If you want, you can do multiples of 360. So if you subtract 360 again, you get negative 1020. So all these angles are coterminal, and you can go on forever like this. Not that you want to, but there's millions of different answers you can give me. So degree measures are easy. Radian measures are also easy. They're just you just have to do a little bit of fractional work. Some people like to convert this to degrees and then do it and convert back to radians. I think that's a waste because it's not hard to deal with these fractions. If coterminal angles differ by 360 degrees, we know that 360 degrees is 2 pi radians. So we're just adding or subtracting multiples of 2 pi, which is 360, just like we did over here. So the key here is it's a fraction, so get a common denominator. So I'm going to add and subtract 2 pi from this, but 2 pi, if you want to get a common denominator of 15, just multiply 15 over 15. So 2 pi and 30 pi over 15 are the same thing. And that's going to help me add and subtract here. So with all that being said, get rid of all this and give myself some space here. To find a positive coterminal angle to negative 2 pi over 15, I'm going to add 2 pi, which is the same thing as adding 30 pi over 15. I have a common denominator here, so just add the tops. Negative 2 pi plus 30 pi is 28 pi. The denominator remains the same. And that is all. It's that easy. That's the positive coterminal angle. To get the negative, well, now you just subtract 2 pi. So I'm starting out with negative 2 pi over 15, and I'm going to subtract 2 pi, which is 30 pi over 15. Negative 2 pi minus 30 pi is a negative 32 pi. The common denominator remains the same, and there's my negative. So this is very simple. Practice a few, and you got it. So that is it.